So if you're just starting off in business and you're not sure whether you should or shouldn't register for VAT, there are a few things you need to consider. So first and foremost, the VAT registration threshold at which you must register is £85,000 on a rolling 12-month basis. But you can elect to register voluntarily, and you might want to do that for a number of reasons. So if you're dealing with business to business and you're a service-based business, for example, many of your clients, especially if they're bigger businesses, might want you to be VAT registered. They might see that as you being a proper business, that you're a bit bigger because you're VAT registered, because they know your turnover must be greater than that threshold. And it doesn't matter to them, because if you're selling business to business, then they can claim the VAT back anyway, so it really doesn't matter. It's when you're selling direct to consumer that you've maybe got more of a question about it, because they can't claim the VAT back. So if you're competing on price, although you shouldn't really be competing on price, there's value and service and all of that as well. But if you are competing against somebody else who isn't VAT registered, well, effectively for you to make the same amount of money, your prices need to be 20% higher than the other person. So it's something that you just need to weigh up and consider very carefully.